Alright, so I had to get my hired help here, Julie, to help me out with the camera while I'm cleaning this thing out. Pull the trash can over here too because there's some stuff in here I don't want to even. Yeah.
Ew.
Yeah.
That is disgusting. Ew. There's like stuff all over here.
Not sure what that is.
Looks like something like a rubber something.
It's a rubber pad. Might be some kind of rubber bumper for the rear window. I'll keep that as part of a jack. The old days of the bumper jack. More part of the jack.
There's lots of nasty stuff down there.
Yeah.
Krusty's brother is like destroyed right now.
Krusty's
At least,
brother.
I mean, Krusty he survived.
Ugh.
Ew. That is very disgusting. You just, ew. I would never touch any of that
Thing
stuff.
is, you never know. You can't just suck it all out and throw it away because you never know what might be something here you might be needing.
Like that stuff right over there.
This is spring.
Like that stuff over there.
Not sure what that goes to. Part of a spark plug.
Ew.
Why would somebody throw that in here?
That's disgusting.
Shock bolt maybe, washer. And these. Found shotgun shells in the glove box amongst a bunch of like walnut shells and all kinds of that, just other debris.
Like lots of nasty stuff down there. Like, look how nasty that is. That is disgusting. Why would no one take care of this car? It's really cool.
Oh, how far does that go back in there? There's seat belts for the second row seats.
Wow, the seats are like way up there. And the seat belt's right back here.
Well, there's a middle row. There's a middle row of seats right here. Actually, that's the third row. You know, Mom's Durango has the third row seat back in the back.
Yeah.
Well, this one's missing the second row, the back seat, and but it does have the third row seat under here.
Wow.
I'll unfold it and show you here in a minute.
You kind of need to fix the back of there because you need to get some new seats to put back there.
Yep. Alright.
This is going to be loud. Now check everything up. Wait, stop. Is that a shell? Dad, stop. I see a shell. I like shells. Yeah, that would be way quicker. Ew. That's disgusting. That's disgusting.
You said that a couple times.
Ew. Ew. Don't you need that nut?
Yeah,
It was disgusting down there.
I think this down here might be a little worse than I thought.
Ew. 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 Oh, it's a hole. It's a hole.
Yeah, a little bit.
How do you fix that?
A little bit of sheet metal, a little bit of welding.
There's the hole. Ew. It's so dusty. I just
Yeah.
said Krusty's brother's name.
It's a little worse than I thought it was. That usually what happens.
There's lots of disgusting things on it. How long has this been sitting in the yard, in the junkyard?
I don't know. Actually,
Probably like 17 years. There's like a huge hole in the ground. In the
alright.
Can I stop the footage?
Well, my little cargo hold down here is a little worse than I originally thought. And I knew it had a couple little rust holes, but oh well, it's a 50-year-old car, right? That's why we call it Krusty.
Yeah.
He can be fixed.
Like he's super rusty. Like, look at all the way back there. It's like,
Actually, that up there is not that bad.
and I'm gonna.
Right across where the seat mounts, it's got some holes and needs to be fixed up, but the front floorboard's not nearly as bad as I've seen. I've seen a lot worse. Now here's the here. Can you see this? Scoot back, scoot back. Let me sit. Just recording. So yeah, my spare tire cover is a little rotted. This side over here is a little rotted. Not sure how I'm going to deal with those. We'll probably find some new ones that or some better ones at a junk yard or swap meet maybe. So anyway, but yeah, here's the floorboard for the rear cargo area. Big hole over there. You can see the ground pretty good. Over here in the corner there's a hole. Down here on the back side there's a couple holes. My phone's ringing, so that might be Napa saying my brake parts are in. So I'm gonna pause it here and check back in a little bit.